Let's talk about how fix dev errors saved in Warzone crash freeze launch fix in a simple and calm way we'll go step by step.
But take a deep breath. All hope is not lost, and you don't have to surrender to this persistent glitch. We're diving deep into comprehensive troubleshooting tips and proven step-by-step fixes designed to banish dev errors for good and get you back into the fight. Start by verifying your game files. Corrupted or missing files are a super common culprit behind dev errors leading to crashes and launch failures. Both Battle.net and Steam clients have built-in tools for this. Just find Warzone in your library and initiate the scan and repair process. It's a quick and essential first step to ensure your game's integrity. Next up, make sure your graphics, drivers, and Windows operating system are fully updated. Outdated drivers, especially for your tool, are notorious for causing instability and compatibility issues in games like Warzone. Head to your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, or Intel, to download the latest drivers. Don't forget to run Windows Update 2, as system updates often include critical fixes. Sometimes the fixes in your in-game settings. High graphics settings can put undue stress on your system, especially if you're close to minimum specs. Try lowering your texture, quality, shadow details, and disable any experimental features like ray tracing. Also, keep your slightly below your monitor's refresh rate to prevent potential conflicts and overloads. Finally, let's talk about background interference. Programs like Discord Overlay, DeForce, Experience Overlay, or even other resource-intensive applications running in the background can conflict with Warzone and trigger errors. Temporarily disable these overlays and close any non-essential apps before launching the game. A clean slate gives Warzone the resources it needs to run smoothly without interruption.